Good morning, students. Today we will discuss prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. So prove that VO angles means vertically opposite angles are equal. Means here we have to prove vertically opposite angles are equal. To prove this, we will consider this figure. In this figure, line L and line M intersect at point O. So this is line L and this is line M. They intersect at point O and four angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Out of these four angles, angle 1 and angle 3 are exactly opposite to each other and they cannot have any common arms. So angle 1 and angle 3 is one pair of vertically opposite angle. Same way, angle 2 and angle 4 is second pair of vertically opposite angle because angle 2 and angle 4 are exactly opposite to each other and they cannot have any common arms. So there are two pairs of the vertically opposite angle. First, angle 1 and angle 3. Second, angle 2 and angle 4. And we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. For this, I will explain this. See, angle 1 and angle 2 is linear pair. See this, angle 1 and angle 2, this. Angle 1 and angle 2 is a linear pair and they form half circle. See, they form half circle. So angle 1 and angle 2 is a linear pair. See, I will hide this. See, angle 1 and angle 2 they form a half circle and angle 1 and angle 2 is a linear pair. And we know that sum of measures of linear pair is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now, here we have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So, we will find angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. This side of the 2 we will change. This side plus angle 2. If we change side, it becomes minus angle 2. Now, second. Angle 2 and angle 3 is a linear pair. See, angle 2, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. This is angle 2 and this is angle 3. This is also linear pair. See, I will hide this. Angle 2 and angle 3 is a linear pair and they form a half circle. See, they form a half circle. So, angle 2 and angle 3 is a linear pair and we know that sum of measures of linear pair is 180 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here we have to find angle 3. So angle 3 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. We have to find angle 3. So angle 2 side we change. This side it become plus angle 2. If we change side, it become minus angle 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. See this equation 1. Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to also 180 degree minus angle 2. Means ultimately, according to equation 1 and equation 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. Angle 3 is also 180 degree minus angle 2. So, angle 1 and angle 3 both are same. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 and angle 3. See, angle 1 and angle 3 is a vertically opposite angle and we proved that they are equal. Same way we can prove for angle 2 and angle 4. I hope you understand this. Thank you.